All right. So you should do all the ones on the back. All right. It wouldn't be that hard. The word problems would be kind of difficult, but these right here are very essential because you'll get several of these on the test. So this is a volume, this is a volume, and you really kind of have to do them all, unfortunately. All right. So this one says find W when volume is da 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 da, right? So the equation, first off, is volume equals length times width times height. So if you say 360 is equal to my length, 5 times W times 9, if they say 360 equals 45 W, divide by 45, divide by 45, and you'll get the number. 8 equals W. Okay. So try to do this one, except you got H. All right. So you should try to do this and then come back and check your answers, because it's better to try them, not just copy what I'm doing. It's not going to help you really, unless you're totally stuck. Then after I do the first one, you go back and do this one. But let's take a look at this one. He says volume equals length times width times height. Again, they say your volume 720. It's going to be equal to your length is 3. My width is 20. I want to know what my height is. Well, that's easy. 720 equals 3 times 2 is 60. H divided by 60. Divide by 60. And you'll get 12 units, whatever the units are. We don't really know, but it's units equals H. That's how you check your answer. So these are super simple, the areas. All right. So it's just length times width. All right. So if your area is going to be length times width, so it's 336 would be equal to my length, 21 times W. I divide this by 21. I divide this by 21. And I find out that 16 units, it could be meters, it could be whatever, I don't know what it is equal to my W. Right? Let's look at 43. Once again, my area equals my length times my width. If 182 equals L times 13, I divide this side by 13. I divide this side by 13. I will get 14 units. I don't know what the measurement is, equals L. And that's how you solve that guy. This next one says find L when P equals 42, W equals 9. This is a perimeter one. Oh, these are so much more fun. Maybe, right? Perimeter equals 2L plus 2W. So my perimeter equals 42. I don't know what my L is, so I put 2L. And then I add it to 2 times W, which would be 9. So 42 equals 2L plus 18 minus 18 minus 18. This is why you learned all those things. This is an example of when would you ever use this? Well, try to find a perimeter or something, and you only have one of the sides. This thing would go away, right? 42 minus 18, 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2 equals 2L, right? And so basically you just divide by 2, 12 equals L. Nice. Let's try this one over here. Right? Perimeter equals 2L plus 2W. That should be 110 equals 2 times 20 plus 2 times W. Well, 2 times 20 is 40, right? 110 equals 40 plus 2W. I got to subtract 40 minus 40, right? 40, 30. That's going to be in 70 equals 2W. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 35 units, whatever that may be, equals W. Makes sense, right? Look at these word problems are going to be massive in comparison to things we've done, right? So these are kind of touch and go. I hope you make sense of it, right? Diagram, draw, or write out. That's kind of what you do here. At the school spring, but a total of 29 teams participated, right? 29 teams. I'll write this out. Teachers were divided into 2 equal teams, and the students were divided into teams with 3 students each. All right. How many students participated in the school sport event? Okay. Teachers were divided into 2 equal teams, right? So 29 teams, 29 equals, there's 2 teacher teams, right? 2 teacher teams. This is my teacher team, right? Plus 3, and we don't know how many student teams. We'll put students. We're in groups of 3, so we're just going to put X, right? All right, 3 student teams. That makes sense? Each. I'm going to go minus 2 here. Minus 2. I get 27 equals 3x. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. 9 equals x, right? 9 students per team. 9 times 3. Am I doing it right? Oh, 29 teachers were divided into 2 equal teams. Students were 3 students each, right? 3 students, 29, 2 teams, 27, 3 students each. I think I wrote this up wrong. Wow, this is tricky. Oh, you know why? Yeah, so this is where you guys got to kind of look at this. Yeah, this is where it gets tricky, right? Yeah. S equals total people that participate, right? Okay, we can figure this out a little better, right? Total people, S, at the sporting event. Ah, this is stuff.